Hi, you know me. I'm Mark Victor Hansen, co-creator of the Chicken Soup for the Soul and the 1 Minute Millionaire series. But today I want to talk to you about one of my close, dear friends who I've thought the world of for over a decade. His name is John Thorpe, and he can do all the stuff that they said he'd never do again. That's number one. Number two is that he's healed tons of people. Number three is, for me personally, I had my hips, and they said, hey, look, 10 years ago, you got to replace them with porcelain. On John, and what he did is he regenerated my hips instantaneously, and it was so good that I am totally ambulatory. I exercise all the time. So I think it is important that you become aware of both his Ocuscope and Myoscope. Not only is he a good guy, but right now he is busy training 1,000 practitioners that are about to descend on the whole world, or emanate out of his beginning. Because if you are well trained, and if you go to one of the Thorpe Institute practitioners, you're getting the best of electronic medicine.
Our goal at Thorpe Institute is to train 1,000 technicians to be placed in medical offices across the country. If you'd like to be one of those technicians, or if you know a doctor or a chiropractor or a physical therapist or an acupuncturist, any licensed healthcare provider, to help bring this message of healing to the entire world, we would appreciate a call.